Life's good. What's up, guys? My name is Mike McDonald, otherwise known as Get High with Mike, and I'm a professional kite surfer. But today, I'm going to share with you my top 8 travel essentials. These are the things you do not want to leave home without when you're going on a sick trip. I guarantee they're going to enrich your life, so stay tuned. Sweet, guys. So number 1 on my list is this little thing. It is called an Airfly Pro. And what's so cool about this is you can connect your wireless headphones to it, and then you can plug this thing into the aux of the airplane so that you can watch movies and listen with your own wireless headphones. Super cool not having cables, right? Not only that, but it can also change modes between transmitter and receiver. So when you got on transmitter mode, it's going to play audio to your headphones. When you got on receiver mode, you can plug it into an aux port of your choosing and play music from your phone to the device out through some speakers. So say if you have an old car, you rent a car, boom, plug this guy in and you are styling. Super cool Airfly Pro. I love it. You can get it on Amazon. So next on my list, my AirPod Pros. These are absolutely fantastic. So these have enriched my life because I'm having better quality phone calls with people. I'm happy to stay on the phone for longer, and I'm having better relationships as a result. Not only that, but they help me so much with my focus. So I can be in a noisy, busy environment like a restaurant or an airport or wherever it is, in a train. I put these guys in and I can zone in. Initially, I was like, wow, these things are like, my friend Fabi got me onto them, right? Initially, I was like, these things are like $300. And I was like, wow, that's a shitload of money for a pair of headphones. But if I lost them today, I would buy them again today. They're one of the best things ever. Highly recommend. You guys know AirPods, I'm sure. Oh, and not only that, but they've also improved my sleep, because sometimes I'm sleeping in a noisy environment, again, like a plane, or there's construction work going on near a hotel. And then you just put the noise canceling on and you are styling. Blocks out almost all the sound. I love it. Next, we've got this awesome travel adapter, which I'm currently using to charge my devices. It's got a USB-C port, so you can fast charge your devices. I've actually just ordered one that has 4 USB-C ports on it in total, because I have more, maybe 3, because I have more USB-C devices these days than I do USB-A devices. Also, what's really cool is you can change to whatever fitting you need. Got that European one. And there we go. Highly recommend having one of these. They're $20, super cool. All right, guys, next is my padded eye mask. So this thing almost completely blocks out the light, and you'll see it has these little holes in it over here, holes. And that allows your eyelids to move when you're sleeping and you're in that REM phase, so you have super good quality sleep. And guys, I must say, if you're sleeping really well, you're gonna bring good energy and good vibes into almost every part of your life. If you're not sleeping well, pretty crap. So guys, highly recommend getting one of these. Oh my God, it's amazing. Next up is my Apple Silicon MacBook. Guys, this thing is incredible. It's the greatest leap in personal computing I've ever seen. I mean, the battery life on this device is close to, I would say I get like 8 hours of hardcore usage. And if I'm just taking it easy, I probably get like 12 hours of usage. So highly recommend it for traveling. It's such a pleasure to not have to plug in all the time. And of course, it's a computing beast. I run DaVinci Resolve and do some cool editing, although I don't do my own editing anymore. But yeah, guys, highly recommend getting Apple Silicon Macs. I used to be on the Windows train, but these Apple MacBooks and I had to jump aboard. Also, on a side note, I grew up in South Africa, where we think that a $3,000 MacBook is super expensive. But is it? I mean, it's a tool that allows you to make thousands of dollars a month or even a year if you know how to use it properly. I mean, you've got to invest in your work tools if you want to have a good career. So let's look at the actual cost. So if you buy a MacBook for $3,000, safe to say if you sell it 3 years later, you're going to sell it for about $1,200. Let's just go with that. So that means you're spending $1,800 over the course of 3 years, which means you're spending only $1.6 per day. Now, for a tool that can make you thousands of dollars a month, is that really expensive? I don't think so. And if I lost it today, I would get it tomorrow. And that is the ultimate test of how important some of these tools are in your life. So guys, if you're traveling, you're going to need some good luggage. And I've got 2 highly recommended luggage items for you today. Number one is my fanny pack. This thing fits so many things. I've got my spectacles, contact lens solution. Let's just open this bad boy up and see what we've got inside here. But trust me, you need this in your life. So Napa Berry one over here, but I recommend getting the Waterfly one. So what I love most about my fanny pack is I always got my essentials with me, and I'm not likely to lose things, and I don't have to have super big, bulky pockets, and sometimes wardrobes don't have enough pockets to carry all the things we need. So yeah, fanny packs are dope. And the second piece of luggage you gotta have is a super good backpack. So I got a Thule Covert DSLR backpack. So that means it's a camera bag, and it has really cool padding for my laptop. What I love about this thing is it's water resistant. It gives me a way to store all my valuables. It even has locations for my hard drives. It's got a little zipper compartment for your passports and other little documents. And it comes with a little padded camera bag so you can keep your camera gear safe. So sick. Highly recommend getting the Thule Covert. You can get it, the link down below. Although last I checked, it was out of stock, which is no surprise because it's amazing. Sweet. So last on my list is wise.com. Guys, I've started using Wise for my banking, for my international banking, for making and receiving international payments, and it has saved me thousands of dollars a year. If I had to guess a figure, I would say it's probably saved me $3,000 a year, which is insane, right? I do a lot of international transfers because I've got a couple of businesses. But yeah, guys, Wise is so sick. It's really quick and easy to send money to your friends or to businesses. And if you want to get, I think you get like 60 euros off if you sign up using my link and you make a payment. So yeah, that's free money. Be sure to use it using my link down below. Oh, and did I mention it makes it possible for you to store money in so many different currencies? I use regular US dollars, euros, South African rands, Great Britain pounds. I mean, just to name a few. And you can get account details for each of those different types of accounts. So people can pay you into your US dollar banking details or your euro banking details or your South African rand banking details if you're a sapper like me. La la la. So guys, if you purchase any of these items, please be sure to purchase through my links down below. And that way I can make a little bit of money and keep funding my channel so I can make more videos for you guys. Oh yeah, and let me know if I should make a part 2 because I got way more things I want to share with you. But these are my top 8. So yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video. And if you got any questions or anything to say, be sure to drop that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Muchos besos. Adios.